Here's how to remix images on Ideogram. First of all, left click on the image that you would like to remix. And then click on Remix in the top right corner of the screen. You can either do that for public images like we did just now, or you can do that for the images that you generated yourself as well. To do the latter, go to My Images in the upper right corner of the screen, and then left click on the image that you would like to remix. Click on Remix in the top right corner. On top of the image, you will then see the actual prompt that has been used to generate this image. And to remix it now, simply adjust the image weight right here, and then on the right side, click on Remix. As far as the image weight goes, the standard value is 50. If you decrease the image weight, the variations that you're going to create will be further away from the original. On the other hand, if you increase the image weight, the variations that you're going to create with Remix are going to look more similar to the original. You should experiment with that value to get the best results. If you want to adjust specific aspects of the image, you can still adjust the prompt here above. So for example, if I would like to have for my cat to have blue eyes, I can still insert that into the prompt. Once you're done adjusting the prompt, click on Remix here in the lower right corner. And wait until the generation is complete. Then click on Generation Complete right here in the lower right corner. And here you go, here are our 4 results. Pretty amazing, right? Now if you have Ideogram Plus or Pro, you can also upload your own images to Ideogram and then remix these as well in the very same fashion as we did before. If you're an Ideogram Plus or Pro user, to upload your very own image to Ideogram, here's how you do it. First of all, click in the prompt field here on top, and then click here on this Upload Image button. Select the image on your computer that you would like to upload, and then click on Open. Then click on Remix. Above your image you will then find that Ideogram automatically added a description of your image, which is awesome because Ideogram basically created the prompt that goes with your image. So you immediately get a great prompt to work with, and usually these descriptions that are auto-generated by Ideogram are actually really good. Now to remix this uploaded image, it works in the very same way. First of all, here on the left side, adjust the image weight if needed. On top, adjust the prompt if you would like to make some changes. And once you have adjusted that, click on Remix here on the right side and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Ideogram tutorials. Have a good one, bye!